So an interesting quirk of the metric system is you notice that we had mentioned that volume in metric uses liters. But we can also use distance cubed. So the question is, if we had a box that was 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter, so that's a volume of 1 cubic meter, how many liters will that equal? And so this is a bit trickier. But what turns out to happen is we know that 1 milliliter is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. And so we also sometimes abbreviate that as cc's. So the idea of cubic centimeters is so prevalent that it's gotten its own abbreviation of cc. And so we notice if we want to know 1 cubic meter, it turns out that we notice that that's going to be, we just got done saying that 1 cubic meter is going to be 1,000,000 cubic centimeters. So it turns out that that 1 cubic meter is going to be 1,000,000 cubic centimeters, and so that means it's going to be 1,000,000 milliliters, and now we can convert that's going to be 1,000 liters. Going from milliliters to liters, we just divide by 1,000. So we actually notice that if we want to convert within metric, we notice that if we're given 4 liters, we know that's going to be 4,000 milliliters. If we're given 12,000 milliliters, we know that's going to be 12 liters. We notice we can just move those decimal points back and forth, and we just remember that 1 liter is a bunch of milliliters. A bunch of milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Next, if we want to convert from US to metric, we notice that 1 gallon is approximately 3.7854 liters. Oh, your textbook, I just noticed, uses lowercase l for liters. So you'll always get differences in notation. So we noticed that if we had 3 gallons, and we want to know how many liters that is, this is an easy one. We know 3 gallons, we know 1 gallon matches up to 3.7854 liters. The gallons go away. We just multiply by 3. We're going to get 10. That's going to be 11.3. What are we going to get? 357. So you want to double check that with a calculator, but I think it's going to come out to it's definitely going to be 11 point something. I think it's going to be 11.357 liters. That probably bears verification. And so you notice that if we had something strange, like wanting to convert, if we want to say convert 1 cup 2 milliliters. Oops. This is a messy process because what we notice is we have to first convert cups to gallons. So you have to say 1 cup. We know there are 2 cups to a pint. We know there are 2 pints to a quart, 4 quarts to a gallon. Then we can say that there are 3.7854 liters to a gallon. And then we know that there are 1,000 milliliters to 1 liter. And so this whole thing turns into being, so to convert 1 cup into milliliters, we're really saying 3.7854 times 1,000 milliliters divided by 2 times 2 times 4 gives us 16. Because we notice the liters go away, gallons go away, quarts go away, pints go away, cups go away, which is the point of that system. And so we're really just taking 3785.4, dividing it by 16, and so this isn't too bad of a calculation. We know 3785.4 divided by 16, we're going to get 258, 48. So now we have to work a little harder. That's going to be 6. 94. That's going to be 0.5. And that'll go in 8 times. So we notice approximately 236.6 milliliters to 1 cup. And so, like I said, you're not ever going to see one that messy on a test. But you notice that it's relatively straightforward pieces to get to your answer.